Here's how discipline has changed my life. I've been studying for a lot of different exams and have gotten quite good grades. And I've been working out for approximately 5 years pretty consistently without any breaks, sort of, or pauses. And so I've learned a lot from practicing and preparing for my exams and remaining disciplined and preparing one more time, because I wanted to have that security of when I went into the exam room that I would be able to sort of perform at the level that I wanted to reflect the grade in the end that I got. And the same thing about the gym. I didn't want to go just for fun. Like I wanted to go to get results. And so I knew that I actually had to push myself and not just drag my ass to the gym. And so that's where discipline has been really helpful for me. What those experiences have taught me was that discipline was something I really found virtue in. I've become very grateful for the opportunities and results that I have seen with discipline. I figured that if I've found so much usefulness or so much benefit in increasing my discipline, then maybe I would be able to help other people change their lives as well. Thank you for your time. Drop a like if you found this valuable or useful in any way. Stay disciplined.